This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening numbers on your iPad and creating a new spreadsheet. Pick a blank sheet or a template that matches your goal. Once done, set up a simple table. Tap the plus, add columns and rows, then name headers clearly so you can reference them later. Make sure iCloud is enabled so your file syncs. You'll see how structuring headers now makes formulas and formatting faster. This first step prevents confusion as the sheet grows. You now populate the table. Tap a cell and type or paste data, then drag the small handle to fill series quickly. Next, insert formulas by typing equals into a cell. Use sum for totals, average for means, and if for conditional logic. Once formulas exist, lock references with $ when required. Make sure to format cells, currency, percent, or date, so numbers interprets values correctly. This prevents calculation errors and keeps your sheet readable as it grows. You finish by reviewing formulas and viewing the print layout to confirm alignment. This reveals hidden formatting issues. Then export the file as Excel, CSV, or PDF depending on your recipient, and share via mail, messages, or files. If something goes wrong, use the cell inspector and watch for error badges. Tap them to see which reference or function is failing. Finally, make a duplicate before big changes. That backup makes it safe to experiment without losing your working copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.